This guy is very warm.
Charge your phone off of the
Shut
battery.
up.
Off of the bag itself.
Pretty smart idea, man. I like that.
Yeah, that's nice.
I'm starstruck with how cool this product is and how simple it is.
We're Sierra Madre, and we exist to empower you to experience the wild in comfort and protection. Let me know if this sounds like you. You're out for a weekend of adventure, and the first night, you wake up shivering cold at 2 a.m. We all love sleeping outside, but there's nothing worse than being cold. I guess you could use the tiny chemical packs, but they don't really last that long, and well, they're tiny. And since you won't be going back to sleep anytime soon, you could do jumping jacks and push-ups. Look, there are a lot of tricks of this trade, but let's face it, they don't solve the problem, and none of them get you back to sleep anytime soon. Well, about 6 months ago, we decided to change all of that, and we created the Hot Pocket. The patent-pending Hot Pocket is the first of its kind as an insulated stuff sack with twin battery-powered radiant heat panels, and it can be fully opened and provide instant warmth anywhere. We wanted to create a modern way to stay warm in the wild. No more boiling water in plastic bottles, no more getting out of your sleeping bag. Just push a button and instantly feel its warmth so you can get right back to peaceful slumber. The Hot Pocket is simple. When you're headed out for a camping trip, stuff your sleeping bag into it. You can compress it. The Hot Pocket reduces your insulation size by over 50%, giving you a lot more space. When you get to your campsite, you can even preheat your sleeping bag, so when you get in it, it's warm. When you're ready to go to sleep, open it and place it inside your sleeping bag. And whenever you need a little extra warmth, just press the button and the Hot Pocket will instantly warm you so you can drift right back to sleep. The Hot Pocket uses a rechargeable battery, and to conserve its power, we added an auto shut-off feature, so you don't have to worry about getting too warm, and you'll have hours of extra warmth whenever you need it. The Hot Pocket even charges your devices, and it's solar compatible, so it's multifunctional and will keep you warm on your entire adventure. It comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. The small is perfect for a 30-degree down sleeping bag. The medium is great for a 0-degree down sleeping bag or a 30-degree top quilt and underquilt set. The large is great for a 0-degree synthetic sleeping bag or a 0-degree down top quilt and underquilt set. The Hot Pocket is constructed out of incredibly soft and breathable fabric, so it's smooth as butter and is really nice to hold against your skin. But it's also durable and weather resistant, so you can put it through its paces in the wild. The Hot Pocket can be fully recharged in 90 minutes and will provide you a weekend of adventure with high energy heat. And if you want, you can even plug it into your car or your home, so you always have access to its magical warmth. Thanks to its lightweight, multifunctional design, you can use the Hot Pocket anywhere, at a soccer game, while you're hunting, or even on those cross-country road trips. No matter how tough you are, being cold is miserable, and it can even leave you feeling downright helpless, not to mention ruin your adventure. Why be miserable? Just replace your old stuff sack with the Hot Pocket. It only adds a few extra ounces, but it will give you peace of mind, knowing that you can warm up anytime, anywhere, with just the press of a button. Look, this isn't our first rodeo. We've been making killer gear since 2013, and all of our gear is backed by the 100% Madre guarantee, so you can feel confident that the Hot Pocket will serve you for many years to come. When you join us, you'll be literally partnering with us to bring the Hot Pocket to life. And that's a crazy journey in and of itself, but you're also gonna gain access to 3 huge perks. Number 1, we guarantee you're gonna get the best deal you can get on the Hot Pocket, period. Number 2, you're gonna gain lifetime backer status, which means you're gonna get access to all of our previous Kickstarter launches. Number 3, you're gonna be joining us in our secret mission to bring clean water to people around the world that desperately need it through our One Campaign project. So to be a part of all of this and experience instant warmth, back the Hot Pocket by clicking the Back This Project button, and then select the reward you would like to receive. Thank you so much for joining us, and we are absolutely thrilled at the opportunity to serve you.
This guy is very warm. That feels very good. That's very warm.
Ooh, that is toasty. I like it. Charging station? Pretty smart idea, man. I like that.
Oh. Charge your phone off of the
Shut
battery.
up.
Off of the bag itself.
Definitely going to keep your core warm. Yeah, that's nice.
It's great material too. Feels nice. Like just sitting on my lap right here feels good too.
It's cold, we can heat it, man. I'm sorry. Done.
I'm starstruck with how cool this product is and how simple it is. Being a retailer for like 30 years, 31 with Rock Creek, there's these milestone moments, where you see a product. And when you were showing me this, I think this is one of those milestone moments in the outdoor industry that somebody's developed the products here. Madre has developed the product that I think will be in everybody's back going forward.